In national news, a federal judge says there is probable cause to hold Trump administration officials in criminal contempt for violating his orders to put a pause on using the Alien Enemies Act to deport more than 200 migrants to El Salvador a month ago. It's a move that remains in the spotlight as we learn more about those who were on board the flights, including an El Salvadorian national living in Maryland whose return must be facilitated by the Trump administration, the Supreme Court said this week. As Christine Frazao reports, these new battles over immigration are becoming quite political as well.
The Department of Justice has called the deportation of Kilmar Armando Abrego Garcia a, quote, administrative error. And despite a unanimous ruling from the highest court in the land ordering Abrego Garcia to be returned, Attorney General Pam Bondi says it's an order that won't be followed.
He is not coming back to our country. President Bukele said he was not sending him back. That's the end of the story.
But it's just the beginning of the story for Maryland Senator Chris Van Hollen.
This is about the rule of law. This is about due process.
Now on the ground in El Salvador, demanding answers after a meeting with El Salvador's vice president.
I said I'm not interested at this moment in taking a tour of CCOT. I just want to meet with Mr. Abrego Garcia. He said he was not able to make that happen.
The Trump administration, though, not backing down, insisting with no evidence that Kilmar Armando Abrego Garcia is a criminal gang member.
He is not a Maryland man. He is not a Maryland anything. He is an illegal alien from El Salvador with a deportation order from the United States. He is not legally even allowed to be in our country.
That question at the center of a new investigation by the New York Times, finding of the 238 migrants sent to that Supermax prison, at least 32 have faced serious criminal accusations or convictions in the United States or abroad. But there was little evidence of any criminal background or any association with the gang for most of the men. It's prompting a new warning from Democrats about a dangerous pattern from President Donald Trump.
He's ordering the Department of Justice to investigate his enemies. He is now threatening to deport American citizens. This is stuff of dictators. This is not the stuff of democratically elected presidents.
Senator Van Hollen says he spoke to the U.S. Embassy in El Salvador, and embassy officials told him they've received no direction from the Trump administration to help facilitate the release of Abrego Garcia. I'm Christine Frazao reporting.